so beautiful sunrise light on the wall and just in the whole room. And I'm going to the store now, but I think when I be ready, it will be so dark outside. I'm so happy with my new plants, and I want to finish this part of hanger, but I don't have here all my clothes. I want to do a little makeup just to improve my mood. First I will use base under the shadows. Now I will use white shadows, just a little. Enough. Usually I use eyeliner, like liquid eyeliner, but when I'm lazy to do it, I use a black pencil. Concealer. A lot of blushes. I just finished my makeup, but I need still to use a mascara and powder. And I think I used too much blushes. Usually I wear skirts and tights, but I both jeans and Zara. And of course I will try them black and blue. I think today will be blue. And how it looks like, simple, but nice, I think. As always, I bought milk, cheese. I can't live without cheese. Waffles. A lot of ice cream. This one, and this one. I can wait for my boyfriend to eat it all. But I wanna try one of these now. I think this we'll try together. I really like that it's like full. Just full. Wow. So it's a peanut butter ice cream with sweet and salty pretzels, swirls in brownie pieces. So let's try. It reminds me about Mountain Peak, but it's a little another taste. And 10 out of 10. It will be even 9 out of 10. Or maybe just I didn't eat ice cream for a long time. I ate more than ice cream and I understood that it's not 9 or 8 out of 10. It's less. And it's not like Mountain Peak. Mountain Peak is better. So I just did not eat ice cream for a long time. So it was so delicious since the beginning. Yeah. How can I forget about this? It's literally my love green tea.
You can just pick up that piece of paper and throw it to the back.
It's like a game, you have to pick it up. Wow!
Well done.
I'm that person who sometimes scared going outside. Not like scared, but I don't feel comfortable and I'm not sure why. That something not nice can happen outside. But okay, today I will do it. And I first time tried this BB cream Arborian. I think it's very popular. Usually I don't use BB cream. It's just so beautiful outside, and I really like sun and fog at the same time. Looks wonderful. I will show. Yeah. And I want to show my outfit. So. But also, I think it will be nice. But looks like this. And of course, watch. Just. I come back from walk and outside so nice weather. I really like spring. I even met two cats. Actually, it's not like easy task to find here cats outside because well people going with dogs. I'm so tired. I just want to lie down and watch something or read. I think I didn't read for so long time because I should read in English and it's still like something not like a rest but exercise for my brain. So I have to finish my German studies for the day. Wash dishes, drink my psyllium, and I will read something or watch. And now for a week I live alone at house, not with my boyfriend, and I'm still a little scared of darkness, and it feels lonely, especially at the evenings. But I'm trying to overcome my fears, and I really miss my boyfriend. Just want to be with him now. I will show how I drink psyllium for people who don't eat enough fiber during the day. It's really helpful thing, I promise. Or for people who don't eat enough during the day also. So what I do? First I add just warm water because for the digestive system better to drink warm water, not cold. And I add 2 teaspoons of psyllium. You can use different brands. I use just simple from Migros psyllium. Yeah, and just mix it. And we should drink it fast because it becomes more jelly and harder to drink. It smells literally like mushrooms or leaves when there's a fall outside, and it tastes actually also like mushrooms. And the important thing that after this full cup with psyllium, with 2 tablespoons of psyllium. We have to drink another cup just of water, because in our stomach the fiber will be bigger and it like drinks a lot of water in your stomach, so just have to drink another cup of water. I received another Coro box and I decided not to do a special video for it, just to add in daily vlogs. And actually I'm so excited every time I receive it, because of course I don't know what's inside, and surprises, it's always a good idea. Of course, only nice surprises. So let's open it and know what's inside. A long process. Open it. So it was really heavy, and now I know why. So what's here? Bio Lindsay night top. This. Wow. So the previous box was really like with more snacks. Vegan protein powder. It's really cool because I use protein milk. Schwarze soya bohnen. It's like beans, soya beans. I hope it's enjoyable. I really hope it's enjoyable. This nude paste, something like this. What is it? It's vegetables. That's all. So this all like healthy stuff. No snacks, no snacks. I think most of all I'm excited with the protein and with nuts. Yeah.